Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to remove phone number from Gmail. If you want to remove your phone number from your Gmail account, so let's see how can you do this. For this you must have to open your Gmail app. Just open it and then open your account, tap on it, then tap on manage your Google account. In this section, just scroll down or look for personal info, tap on it, and then scroll down again, and you will get your phone section. You just have to tap on it, and here you just have to select the phone which you want to remove. As I'm going to remove this one, so just tap on it, and here you will get the trash or delete icon. Just select it and then tap on remove number. And after doing this, you must have 24 Gmail password, and after that your phone number might be removed from your Gmail account. So that's how you can easily remove your phone number from Gmail. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.